KipwareCYC is a machining cycle time estimating software application. It was developed and designed by Kentech Inc. through a collaboration with engineers, shop managers, CNC programmers, and machinists. It is designed to be easy to use and to achieve the main key to creating accurate cycle time estimates. That key is that the estimates created accurately reflect what happens on your unique and individual machine shop floor, that your processes and your capabilities are reflected in the times created. Using feature recognition or even AI to create estimates with speeds, feeds, and times that can't be achieved on your shop floor simply results in helping you create faster, more inaccurate estimates that results in a downward spiral of jobs that just lose money. In this short video, we'll delve into the inner workings of CYC and show you how and why KipwareCYC is able to achieve accurate times that actually reflect your unique shop floor. KipwareCYC is a database-driven application. What that means is that it relies on stored database information for both machinery specs and cutting parameters when calculating machining cycle time. Why is this important? First, being able to select from drop-down lists containing database information greatly reduces data entry. You can create estimates faster. Second, using stored database information ensures that all the estimates you create will have consistent speeds, feeds, and times. All estimates for all clients will be using the same database information, and your clients will see consistent speeds and feeds, and therefore expectable and consistent times. One important note about the databases: clients hear databases and immediately react, I have to tediously create databases. There are a couple of truths to point out here. In order to create estimates that reflect your shop, the databases really needs to be made up of your shop equipment specs and your shop's speed and feeds. That's true, but the way to create these databases is to enter or change information as you are creating estimates. For example, today, you creating an estimate for turning 304 stainless on a Haas Cell 10. You gather the machine specs and gather cutting data and enter it into the database and create the estimate. Now all the information is stored for life and can be reused anytime. In this way, you are creating databases that reflects your shop and your processes and are not overly bloated and complicated with machines or materials you'll never use. So let's delve in. The machine database contains specs for all the machine used in the shop. The database can accommodate CNC or manual milling, turning, live tool turning centers, saws, EDM, water jet, and even things like manual welding or even fabricating equipment. KipwareCYC ships with a very complete database already loaded, and it is very easy to customize the database for your shop. Again, key to accurate estimating. Also, the capacity of the database is unlimited, so you can enter an unlimited number of machines. The cutting parameter database is very flexible and complete, having been designed by process and manufacturing engineers. Let me show you what I mean. You can see in this screenshot that on the left side there is a list of main machining operations, and then there is a list of 10 cutting parameters associated with each. The basis for this is that shops usually have proven in favorite inserts or tools that are used for certain operations on certain materials. For example, rough turning 303 stainless. You probably have a favorite grade and type of insert the floor likes to use for this operation. This design allows you to enter those cutting parameters and 9 other options that you might use as well. Grade of inserts, material of cutters, forms of cutters, whatever. So each operation can have up to 10 subcategories. This design is very flexible and built to reflect what actually happens on your shop floor. The capacity of this database is also unlimited, adding to the flexibility. You could enter a name, say 303 stainless KCU10, and all the operations, tools, and parameters for that. Then enter 303 stainless KCM25 and enter all the operations, tools, and parameters for that grade of carbide. The database can also handle cutting parameters for sawing. So KipwareCYC can estimate a complete cycle time from the sawing of the material right through all the machining operations on all the different machines. If your shop is floundering, inefficient, and needs a wake-up call, it's time to let Kipware software take you to the next level. We are always adding to our video library outlining different features of KipwareCYC, as well as all our CNC and machine shop software. You can check them out on our YouTube channel, KT Software, or visit our website at www.kipware.com.